Gloving.com. It's the newest digital hub for gloving. You can connect with glovers, share your videos, and even customize your own gloving profile. There's a ranking system, and yes, all my competitions, including King of Series, will be counted towards the rankings. I've heard lots of new and exciting things that are going to be happening on the site, so create your account, claim your gloving name, and keep up with the latest gloving news and events. Let's move on over to Snaps versus Zugzwang, bro. This one's pretty freaking hype. Let's watch Snaps top 4. All right. Get ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
The sky is falling, but I've been noticing things. Hey, I heard the angels calling, or maybe I'm lost in a daze.
He's still rocking that pink-orange set.
I was sick on his prompts. So, yeah. I wonder if he's sponsored by like Glow LED or something.
Yeah, is he?
Yeah, if you can like use snaps as a code for checkout.
Oh, here we go. A little bit of misalignment there, not gonna lie, I think.
I think he was trying to make it like a circle. But, like, I get it. But it didn't come across on camera.
He's doing some weird collapses, like,
yeah,
in that segment. It was very interesting.
Oh, let's go. Oh, okay.
Love the energy. Oh, he put it up there, bro. He launched it up there. Lots of good stick in this light show.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
I feel like this is a pretty prime example of
dang, this part goes hard, bro.
I kind of wish that he got a bit more like off to the sides with that.
Like traveling?
Yeah, I feel like he's going too like forward back, not enough like, oh no, never mind, we go.
Yo, that was solid, bro.
Bruh.
That was solid, bro. I think what would make Dustin level up is like, yeah, if he traveled. Like if he traveled with the grid. Because he's very center focused, right? But like to keep his connections going, I think there's like another level there for sure.
Yeah.
There was a moment, where was it? It was like 128. Oh, there's a moment where he was just comboing, bro. And it's like, it's one of the things that I love the most in light shows is when you're able to just combo. Like when people combo for a long time, especially when they're doing things like tech, like I take like this deep breath, or like right here. 141, bro, shit. It's like I'm taking a deep breath, and then like I'm like paying attention to what is actually happening, and then my mind just goes like insane. I wish he could keep the connection true, like not having to explode, but like this is the kind of movement that I'm like a big fan of, because it's like it's kind of like you're like flexing a little bit, your combinations, you know what I mean? Like there's something so like, I don't know, bro. Yeah, it's just alpha, bro.
That part felt, I don't know, a little like hypno-y. You know how hypno does that thing? Yeah,
hypno-y? Yeah. Hypno-y?
My favorite part of this show was that like long like whip flail section. Like I want to say around like 119, 115, something like that.
119.
The musicality in that part is insane, because like one hand is hitting one layer the other hand's hitting another layer.
And
that felt really, that was disgusting.
Yeah. His hits here were very satisfying. Satisfying hits, this one, compared to his first one. Let's move on over to Zugzwang.
Yeah, we go.
Zugzwang, bro. All right. 3, 2, 1.
Damn.
Yo, what? Yo, wait, what? Yo! Wait, what? Bro, that tripped me the fuck out.
This is gonna be good.
He's like glitching or not, bro? Like his fingers look like it's glitching because of the light. No? Isn't that trippy?
Yeah.
Or is he
It's
actually...
just how, like... I think he's just, like, being really calm, and he's so still, and the lights are so the kind. It's doing the kind.
Jesus Christ.
Okay. Where are you gonna go from here? Where are we going? Where are we going?
Yo, what the...
He looks so...
I know, he looks like...
I don't know if happy is the right word.
He's like tripping me out, bro. Like, there's something so trippy with this show. What's with everybody's fans on, bro? Is it summertime?
Is it summer? Well, to be fair, it's always summer for us.
True.
Yo, let's go. Okay.
Bro, what?
Okay.
Yo. Yo.
Interesting.
So that's a radio. Dude, that was gnarly, bro. Dude. That show made me feel so weird. Like, I feel like I've never felt this way watching a show. It is so interesting. Like, I don't know if it's because of the facial expressions. Like, I felt very uncomfortable in a really good way. Does that make sense? Like,
yes.
It's so odd.
Yeah. Oh, man. Actually, no, I feel like that's a really good demonstration of his style. Because, like, I feel like I remember watching his shows from, like, Lights On and kind of feeling the same.
He brought that same...
like, yeah, but, like, he had a lot of patience in this show. It was kind of like... It felt kind of like a cluster's fundamentals. So it's like I would show someone this shit and be like, okay, so this is how you throw that well.
Bro, it felt like Felt like he was on acid, bro. Like that's how I feel, bro. It's a super trippy vibe, and he feels so uncomfortable, and then like you know, you kind of get used to it, and you're like vibing, and you're kind of like, you know, it's all fun and shit, and then like it gets to the weird part, you know what I'm saying? And then it gets to the weird part, bro. It always gets to the weird part, dude. Like, and like I don't like that's like a level of like, I guess, storytelling or musicality, and it's probably because of the radial effect as well that kind of like bring that out. But like, that's very unique, man. I feel like the way that he did this entire show is very unique. I've never felt or seen anything like it. And like, I don't know if he's like acting. You know what I mean? Like, is this acting or is this motherfucker really on something right now? But either way, I thought, man, that's a tough one. I'm gonna be completely honest. That's a tough battle. Because you have snaps with like just straight up musicality, like who's hitting all these multiple layers, but then you have like Zugzwang who's like very original in his flow, and like the way that he does it is just I don't know, it's just it's like, remember that conversation we had, Siwe, about like how you could have any emotion and it still be like it still have musicality. Like you could, like if there's an angry song, like you could do that song when you're happy, and it
I feel like he put a comment in your chat, and I feel like this comment here describes the show very well for me, at least, because I'm I drink a lot of caffeine. He's boringly sober.
Sober? Damn, then you gotta be an actor, bro.
Boringly sober.
you Hollywood, bro. Hollywood clubbing, dude. Holy shit, dude. Man. That's crazy, bro. Hats off to you. I love that show. I'm gonna be completely honest. But let's see. We're gonna have to wait and see, man, what the judges have to say.
I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, how the hell is he eating all those chips with his mask on? That's not important. What is important are these batteries, and these gloves, and these accessories. And you can get them all 10% off if you use the code ALOHANATION at glow-leds.com. I'm watching Fry.